Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will unveil our secrets to mastering meal prep for a week of nutritious eating. Are you ready to save time, money, and make healthy eating a breeze? Let's get started. Before we dive into the process, let's quickly explore the incredible benefits of meal prep. Meal prepping allows you to reclaim hours each week by minimizing your time spent in the kitchen. Imagine having ready-to-eat meals waiting for you every day. Not only does meal prep save time, it saves money too. By planning your meals in advance, you can strategically shop for ingredients and avoid unnecessary food waste. Meal prepping empowers you to take control of your nutrition. You know exactly what goes into your meals, ensuring they are packed with all the essential nutrients your body needs. Now let's move on to creating a well-balanced meal plan for the week. Start by identifying your health and dietary goals. Are you looking to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle? Once you have your goals in mind, you can tailor your meal plan accordingly. Browse through cookbooks, websites, or our Meal Prep Mastery recipe collection to find nutritious recipes that align with your goals. Determine the portions of each meal based on your calorie and macronutrient requirements. This will help you portion out your meals and control your calorie intake. Compile a comprehensive shopping list with all the ingredients you'll need for the week. Stick to your list while shopping to avoid impulse purchases. Now it's time to put your meal prep plan into action. Designate a specific day and time for your meal prep session. This will ensure you have uninterrupted time to focus on cooking and preparing your meals. Collect all the necessary equipment like food storage containers, measuring cups, and cooking utensils to streamline your meal prep process. Optimize your time by cooking large batches of ingredients such as grains, proteins, and roasted vegetables. These can be easily incorporated into different meals throughout the week. Divide your cooked ingredients into individual portions and organize them in your food storage containers. This makes it easier to grab and go throughout the week. Congratulations on completing Meal Prep Mastery. You are now equipped with the knowledge and skills to successfully prep delicious and nutritious meals for an entire week. By investing a little extra time in meal prep, you are investing in your health and well-being. Remember, consistency is key. Happy and healthy eating. Thank you for watching How to Meal Prep for a Week of Nutritious Eating. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Remember, meal prep is a game changer when it comes to achieving your health and nutrition goals. Stay tuned for more in-depth meal prep tips and recipes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for a daily dose of nutritious inspiration. Until next time, happy meal prepping.